admire, iron level desire, generous, role model, blood pressure, intelligence, livestock, long-term, transplant, transfusion, achievements, famous for, biography, charity, expert in or on, donate, empathy, skills, monitor, roar, locate, tribe, local. We should avoid doing or causing harm to the environment. She expressed her desire to help all of us. The word desire is a synonym for want and wish. Our neighbor is generous. He always buys sweets for our children and helps the needy. Iron levels in our blood should be checked regularly. Blood pressure is one of the most common diseases nowadays. We all admire Mohammed Salah for his talent and politeness. Success in life is based on hard work and determination. Our brave armed forces are able to protect our country against any enemy at any time. The World Blood Donor Day is on June 14th. We should encourage people to donate money to charities. Some young men robbed the old lady of her jewelry last night. Those who are badly injured in chemical factories could need blood transplants. Parents play an important role in forming the character of their children. The police are searching for clues to solve the mystery of the crime. A biologist is a specialist or student in the area of science that deals with living things. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. I am used to walking to work every morning. It is my habit. Have you visited your friend in hospital? Yes, I visited him yesterday. My father always went to work by train when he was young. Why didn't you go to the club yesterday? Because I was busy doing my homework. We will go to the park after we do our work. Rami used to go to the school library and borrow the books he needed. We were in London in 2020. Students are taught 2 foreign languages in secondary schools before they join university. I'd rather you followed your teacher's instructions to avoid making mistakes. The lady laid the baby in its cot. A lot of problems arise due to a lack of national awareness. Lots of thanks. The lesson was prepared and shown well. Adam is never late, is he? I used to have simple toys when I was a child.
Thanks for watching.